Got a black screen issue on TikTok while using your iPhone? It could be caused by app glitches, network problems, or outdated software. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix the TikTok black screen problem on your iPhone. Let's dive in and get it sorted. Before doing anything else, then make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check the proximity sensor. Open up the App Store, tap the search icon, type check my device on the search bar. Tap the install icon, then tap open. After that, tap allow/don't allow. Scroll down, now tap proximity test. Now put your hand on the proximity sensor at the top, on the front camera. If it blinks, then there is no problem with your hardware. But if it is not blink, that means there is a hardware issue. You may go to the customer care. But if it's okay, then you can follow my next solutions. Solution 2. Disable reduce motion. Go to Settings app. Now tap on Accessibility, then tap Motion. Now make sure to turn off the Reduce Motion option. Solution 3. Offload TikTok app. Go to the Settings again, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. Next, tap on TikTok. Then tap Offload, and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Solution 4. Check your software update. Open Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update. If you see Software Update is available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.